Hello friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to make motor shaft for a cooling tower. We learn it. We make a program for CNC machine lathe. At first, open the MasterCAM software. Now there have no origin. We need origin. We can click F9, function key F9. Now draw the sketch. Now click here to origin. Click here. Now give the dimension 300. Okay. Select. Now again draw the line. Draw the line here and give the dimension 20 and click here, draw the line and give the dimension 26. Now click here, give the dimension 9.85 and click here and give the dimension 23 and click here again line, draw the dimension 34 and click here, give the dimension 6 and click here, give the dimension 3.5 and click here, give the dimension 2. Now click here, give the dimension 7. Now click here, give the dimension 1.5. Now click here, give the dimension 17. Now again click here, give the dimension 0.85. Now click here, give the dimension 30. Now click here, give the dimension 0.20. Now click here, give the dimension 117. Now go to zoom out. Now click here, give the dimension 1.5 and click here, give the dimension 1.5. Now go to again here, give the dimension 0.85 and click here, give the dimension 18. Now click here, give the dimension 4.25 and click here, give the dimension 32 22.5. Now give the dimension 23 and click here and here. Give the dimension 5.75. 5 point. Okay, select, delete here. Now draw the line here and here. Select. Okay. Now this line delete. Okay. Select this line, delete. Now go to again here, give the dimension 302. Select. Okay. Our sketch complete. Now we set up machine. Now go to machine tab. This job for lathe machine, CNC lathe, where select lathe default. Now go to properties and select tool setting. You can select tool setting, user defined select. Now you can set up your feed rate, retake rate, spindle speed as well as. Now go to stock setup, select properties. Now at first select geometry. We select geometry cylinder cause or job cylinder type. Now go to make from 2 point, this point and this point select. Now go to OK and select chalk jaw, click the properties and click make from 2 point. This point select. Okay. Now at first we work facing. Now go to toolpath, select facing tools. Okay. Now go to facing tools, rough facing, select. Okay. You can write here note facing as well as facing. Okay. Now go to rough, again toolpath and select rough tools and select here and here. Okay. Now select rough tools. You can write here note rough, RUGS rough. Okay. Now you can change tools, everything, edit tools. You can change everything. Okay, select. Now go to group tool and group tools. Now select multi-chain, select OK. Now go to C plane and select partial and weight. Now select here and here, here. Okay. Now select group tools. Okay. Okay. Now we can use point for threading. we can use point. You can use point here. Select. Okay. Now you can select point here. Check the dimension. Okay. 23 after point use. Select. Okay. Now go to use thread tools. Now again toolpath and click thread. Now select here. We can use lead 1.5, angle 60 degree, and include angle 60 and thread angle 30. Now select measure diameter here. Now select thread depth 1.5. Now select start point here and end point here after 23. Okay, select. Now again go to toolpath and thread. Select measure diameter here, depth 1.5 and start point here and end point here. Okay. Now go to again toolpath and click thread tools. Now there are lead 1.5 and measure diameter here and depth 1.5, same depth. Now start point here and end point here. Okay, select. Now go to isometric view and select verify select operation tools and select operation. Okay. Now we can use cut tools. Now go to again toolpath, use cut off. Now select here and tools use cut off tools. Okay. Now you can write here note cut off. Okay, select. Now go to again, select here. Okay. Now go to isometric view and select machine. Okay, our job ready. Job ready. Now you can check this parameter thread. Okay, everything okay. Now go to top plane and select option. Click here again. Okay. Okay. Make our job. This is cooling tower shaft for a motor impeller. Thank you all. Everyone share and like. If have a ask, you can write comment box.